Okay, we are on the lake, the famous lake of Castel Gandolfo in Rome area. This is a famous lake where the Pope come on the summer to get rest. Anyway, today's video is about frame per second pictures that become a video. It means that I shot already, because you will see it later in the final video that I mount. That I shot with the Canon 1D Mark III. That is a camera that shoots 10 frames per second, more or less. I think mine is old and doesn't even shoot like that. But okay, let's take it like granted that it does. I will put it inside in the timeline with the movie that I'm recording 24 frames per second, so will be speeded by 2.4 times. I want to see how it will be as a movie, because I will before I put these photos inside, I will go inside the Lightroom and I will sync the photos with adjustment, and maybe it's a good quality thing. Maybe it's not worth it. I don't know, but I didn't see this procedure did other times. Let's try what will happen. I don't know, if you have some comments, just leave it. Subscribe if you like this video. I actually want to post more videos. I want to do this effort for you too, because it's something that I believe, and I have a strong passion for photography and videography, and I am being a photographer for already many years, so I am kind of experienced, and I can even help you if you need something, or you can help me. I see YouTube community like a big thing and a positive thing. Okay, I'm going too long on this. See you.
Hip-hop's got me stuck from the hands and beat up. The mic's been crafted, I'm attracted ever since I came past it. Grabbing.
By the way, the camera doesn't have card. This was for a scene, So with the other I had the jacket. I hate
Keeps you craving through the rain and in the pain with amazement. Strength giving, bigger switching with affection, I praise it. Our connection everlasting, when I hug you it's on. Grab each other's hips, speaking while you're creeping, I'm seeing. I've been needing sexual healing while you're crafting for many. You've been with me, close your eyes, candlelight with the mic. Converting lies with the passion, I've been feeling you right. Since you came on my sight, gave me pleasure through the struggle. You know that I love you. Get the pen and pad and mic, never place none above you, yeah.
Place is a little photographic. I like it, and I like it because it's close to my place, so I can come here often and upload things. Alright, by the way, I'm recording this with a cell phone, and I guess we don't need more. People is always researching for more, but you don't need. If you know what you are doing, you don't need. Don't buy stuff you don't need.
Hoping you say yes soon. My heart set on this when I first got a grip. And did the twist with tongue and lips. We so devilish, proving real love still exists in the airy wilderness. Haters hate the bliss, our togetherness. Never miss if they diss, blood drips.
Going home now.